She's sitting under 3. Avery, take 3 away. You take 3 away, what are you going to be under? 0. So what did you do? You started off at 3 and then you did what?
Go to 0.
You went to 0. And how did you get to 0? How many did you take away?
3.
3. So she started off at 3 and then took 3 away. So she went 1, 2, 3, and she landed on 0. So do y'all think you kind of have an idea of the number line? Do you think you can use your own? Okay, well, I'm going to pass out. Everyone's going to get their own number line. But first I'm going to show you what it's going to look like, okay? You see this? This is what our number line is going to look like on your Ziploc baggie. It's going to kind of be a little smaller version, okay? So when you see this, you know you probably want to, you're going to start it on whatever number I tell you, and then you're going to move it down however many numbers I tell you. Inches, it kind of does look like a ruler, doesn't it? So I'm going to pass one of these out to everyone, and then we're going to work out a few problems together, and then you're going to get a chance to do them on your own, just like yesterday with how you use your cookies. So when I give these to you, you can kind of look at them and decide how they work, and then we're going to work some problems together, okay? Thank you guys for being quiet on the rug and sitting still. There we go. Okay, so does everyone have a number line?
Yes.
Okay, now let's... Okay, let's look up at the board. And our first equation is going to be 7 minus 5. So, who can tell me what we're going to do first? Mackenzie Raymer. On our number line, actually this is a Ziploc bag, you have to have a bigger one so y'all can see it. So what number, if it says 7 minus 5, what number are we going to start off on? 7, good. Oh, the 5 does?
Yeah.
Okay, so now everyone start off on number 7 with the Ziploc baggie, the zipper. You can move the zipper to 7. Or you can point on it, whichever one works best for you.
What if it opens 5?
That's okay, it's supposed to. But just keep it closed.
7.
Okay, so is everyone on 7 on their Ziploc baggie?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so now what are we going to do? It says to do what? Who can tell me?
Take
Abigail, what are we going to do?
away 5.
Take away 5. So what does that mean we do now? Do we go down 5? Yes, so we're going to count to down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number should we be on now? Who can tell me? Morgan.
2.
2. Good. So now what does that mean? We say 7 minus 5 equals
2.
Great. Who can read me this equation? Avery.
7 minus 5 equals 2.
Awesome. And what does that mean we did? Did we make a number smaller? Yes, we took away from something, right? Okay, so our next equation is going to be 9. Who wants to make one for me? Someone tell me what you want to subtract. Kaylin.
9 minus 6.
9 minus 6. Good, that's a good one. Okay, so what does that mean we're going to do? We're going to start off on what number?
9.
9. So everyone find 9 on their Ziploc baggie. Good, Cole. That was quick. Good. Okay, so does everyone have 9 on their Ziploc?
Yeah.
Okay, and now what did Kaylin say we're going to do?
6.
Take away 6, right? So let's move down 6. Okay, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who can tell me what number we're going to be on? Cole.
3.
3. Good, Cole. We're going to be on the number 3. Is everyone on 3?
Yeah.
So what does that mean? What do I write next then? 9 minus 6
Equals 3.
Awesome. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Who wants to make a whole subtraction problem by themselves? Brayden, tell me one. 3 Uh-oh, can we do that?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if we can do 3 minus 10. So what number are we going to start off on?
3.
3. So we're on 3 on our number line. Okay, so everyone go to 3. Now let's try to move down 10. Okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, what's happening?
The wrong way.
We can't do that, right? Why can we not do that? Yeah, Mackenzie?
Because we're too close to the end.
We're too close to the end. We're too close to 0. When you're subtracting, you're always supposed to subtract. Have you all seen a pattern? We've always subtracted a larger number. We've always started off with a larger number and then taken away a smaller number, right? See how in our first problem, 7 minus 5 up there, how the 7 is larger than the number 5? In our second one, number 6 is larger than, or number 9 is larger than number 6.
You can turn the number line over.
Or you could turn the number line over if you really wanted to, but that wouldn't give you the correct answer. So we always have to start off with a larger number, okay? So you want to try making another one? Let's try making another one. Tell me. 3 minus 1. That's much better. Let's try this one. So everyone, what are we going to start off with?
3.
3. And then we're going to do what?
Take away 1.
Take away 1. And so what number should we be on? Someone raise their hand. Josie.
2.
2. So how are we going to finish our problem? Can you tell me? 3 minus 1 equals 2. Good job, Brayden. Who wants to read me that whole thing? Mackenzie B.
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Good. I'm going to do one more with you guys, and then we're going to finish our worksheet from yesterday. We're going to finish the whole thing using this, okay? And this time, I want you and the person sitting next to you to come up with a problem, and then you're going to tell me it, okay? And if it's, you can get in a group more than 2 if you need to. So turn next to your friend and say, I want to subtract 4 minus 2. So then you're going to look at 4 and subtract 2, and then you're going to tell me. Hey, Zach and Braxton, you can be together. Just get to the person that's closest next to you, and then I'm going to ask y'all what your equation was, okay? And y'all can show me. This is going to be really fun. I'm going to see, you're going to be the math expert right now. You're the teacher. So get with a friend and say what your equation is going to be. Y'all can get together, this group. Or y'all all can be together. This group right here. What's yours going to be?
No.
What's the answer? Okay, figure it out and let me know. What is it? Do you know?
8. What? We get to 8? Let's start over again. My turn now.
Good. Did y'all come up with any other comments?
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Awesome. I'm going to call on you and you're going to tell us and explain it to the class. So show me what you did. You started on 5?
We already put it on 5 because we know where we're going to start.
Okay, you started with 5. And then what did you do? You slid to 4 because how many did you take away?
1.
Awesome. That's so good. So what was your equation?
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Good. I'm glad I like how you're using your right words, your math words, minus and equals. Good girl. Okay, did everyone come up with one?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to call it every group and you're going to get to share it, okay? This is going to be fun. Okay, well, Mackenzie, Raymer, and Morgan have told me theirs, and I would love for them to come up and share it with the class.
I already told me yours.
Yes, a bunch of you have already told me them, but now they're all going to share it. So Mackenzie and Morgan, share with the class what you did, and I'll write it.
We said 5 minus 4 5 minus 1 equals 4.
And show them what you did on your Ziploc baggie.
We had it on 5 because we knew where it is 5. We slid it on 4 because we knew We took away 1.
Awesome. Did you hear all their explanations? They knew they started with the number 5, so they put their Ziploc on 5, and they knew they took away 1, so they ended up on 4. And they said their equation was 5 minus 1 equals 4. Give them a clap.